Hi dear students, welcome back to Mathematics Bridge Course classes. Here in this video, we are going to discuss about some mathematical problems by using the BODMAS rules. So, such type of problems, how to find the result and how to solving by using the BODMAS rules. So, BODMAS rule is very important for finding these type of the problems. So, we are going to see the BODMAS rule. So, what is mean by BODMAS rule? B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Okay, what is mean by BODMAS? B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Okay, here it is the O stands for off. So, off is one type of the operation where you can to use here. Suppose we consider a simple example, 5% of 200. Are you agree? So, how can to write 5 divided by 100 into 200? 100 1 ja, 100 2 ja, that is what answer is 10. So, the off for in the given example is doing like as a multiplication. So, nature of the off in such a type of problems as a multiplication. So, this is also one of the operation, that is off. Are you agree? So, whenever you are going to solving this type of the problems, you must follow the order. Order is very important. So, first remove the bracket. Within the bracket, what type of operation are going? So, all you have to find out, then remove the bracket. First one. So, what are the brackets? Round bracket, flower bracket, and finally it is square bracket. Okay, it is also very important when you are going to in the solving the example, the first remove the bracket. In bracket, one more you can to follow the order. The first you should remove the bracket, round bracket, then after remove the flower bracket, then finally remove the square bracket. Suppose in the given example, if it is not there, no necessary to remove, then directly go to the remove the bracket, flower, if it is there in the example. So, if it is not there in example this bracket, so directly go to the square bracket. So, remove the square bracket. If it is not there in example square bracket, directly go to the following operation by using the order. Okay, and first remove the bracket, then we will go to division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. This is about to the BODMAS rule. Are you agree? This is BODMAS rule. So, we are see the example and solving the such type of the example by using the BODMAS rules. Okay, so first here the first one 12 divided by 6 flower bracket 2 plus 4 plus 5, so round bracket completed, flower bracket completed. Are you agree? Very simple example. In this example, having two bracket, one bracket is round bracket, another bracket is flower bracket. By the BODMAS rule, the first remove the brackets. Okay, in the order of bracket, the first one remove the round bracket. Okay, here 12 divides, so 12 divisible by 6, flower bracket 2 plus, so first remove the round bracket, 4 plus 5, that is what, 9, so close the flower bracket, then go to flower bracket. So remove the first remove the round bracket, then you will go to remove the flower bracket. 12 divisible by 6, 2 plus 9, that is 11. So here it is, this is a off. Off is nothing but what? That is a one type of the operation, and in such a case the off is doing like as a multiplication. Okay, the nature of off is as a multiplication. So here it is 6 into 11. In this example, the first remove the round bracket, second flower bracket, then we will go to what? Division. Okay, so division operation, 12 divisible by 6, what is answer? That is 2 into 11. So then I'll go to multiplication. This is the last step, so simply multiply 2 into 11, that is what? 22. So this is the answer. Operation, the solving of the example operation are most important. By using the BODMAS rule, we can to solve the example, such type of the problems using the operation. The first remove the bracket, second go through the division, multiplication, addition and subtractions. Okay, that is the most important. Next, go to the second example. Second example, close bracket 10 minus 8, flower bracket 16 divisible by 2 plus 5, round bracket 4 minus 1, close the flower bracket, plus 5, close the square brackets. Okay, so how to solve the such type of the problems? So in the given example, there are having three brackets. The first one round bracket, flower bracket as well as square brackets. So go through solving this example. The first remove the brackets. So here it is round bracket. In the order to the bracket, the first remove the round bracket, second one flower bracket, third one square bracket. Suppose if it is not there in example round bracket, directly go to the flower bracket. If it is not, then we'll go to the square bracket. So square bracket is also not there in given example, so you directly go to the operations. Are you agree? Okay, then here the first remove the what? Round bracket. Within in the round bracket, the what operation is there? First finishing the operation and remove the brackets. So 10 minus 8, 16 divided by 2 plus 5, 4 minus 1, that is 3. So here it is off. It is just like as a multiplication. This is also one of the operation. The nature of the op as a multiplication. Therefore 5 into 3. So complete the round bracket plus 5 and complete the square bracket. So 10 minus 8. Next we'll remove the flower bracket. So within in the flower bracket, there are 3 operations. One is addition, second one is multiplication, third one is division. By using that BODMAS rule, you can follow the order. The first remove the division. 16 divisible by 2, that is what? 2 1 ja, 2 8 ja. That answer is 8 plus 5 into 3. So close the flower bracket plus 5. Close the square bracket. Okay, next here within the bracket, a flower bracket, there are 2 operations, plus and addition and multiplication. By the BODMAS rule, we have to follow the order. First multiplication, then we'll go to addition. So multiplying. Here 10 minus, that is 8. Okay, 8 plus 5 into 3, that is what? 15. Close the flower bracket plus 5. Close the square bracket. So finally we can to remove the flower bracket. So only one within in the flower bracket, only one operation is there. Square bracket, 10 minus 8, 8 plus 15, that is 23. Here it is off, it's doing like as a multiplication, right? Then plus 5, square the close the square bracket. So then within in the square bracket, there are 3 operations are there: addition, subtraction and multiplication. By the BODMAS rule, we can to follow the order. So first one going to operation what? That is multiplication. Then we'll go to addition and subtraction at both times. Okay, first we have to doing as a addition. Here 10 minus 23 into 8. 8 into 3, 24. 8 into 2, 16, 16 it is 18. Okay, then 184 plus 5. So within in the square bracket there are two operations. So at a time, so doing these two operations, there is no alter the result. So first, so by using that BODMAS rule, you can to add first, or either you can to subtract first, or at a time you can to doing both two operation. There does not to change the value. Okay, here it is 10 minus 184. What it is? Answer minus 174 plus 5. That is what? Here it is 179. This is a answer of the given example. So dear students, whenever you can to go to solve the example, such type of the example, you should follow the or you apply the BODMAS rule. So I once again to repeat what is known as BODMAS. So B is a bracket, O of D division, M multiplication, A addition, S subtraction. The first, the order should be very important. The first go through the bracket, then you'll go to division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So finally we get the result. So op is nothing but one type of the operation which doing has a multiplication, and that is nature of the op is multiplication. Within in the bracket, the what type of operation are there? In bracket we can do BODMAS rule to be applied in the within the bracket. The first, suppose within in the bracket 4 operation are there. First remove the multiplication, first remove operating the division, then multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. Dear students, how to solve the mathematical problems by using the BODMAS rule, in this class we have discussed. So okay, dear students, I will meet next class a different concept. Thank you for watching this video.